is a beautiful luxury sedan at Unique Specialty and Classics, and always a good seller. 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. And listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. 15,407 is all on the odometer. That's right. 15,407, clean Carfax. Let's check this one out a little closer. Of course, the 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. As you can see, filler panel, very nice shape, as well as that grille. Hood ornament still intact. White paint on this, nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, the trunk, the interior, the undersides. Check out the undersides, how clean the undersides are of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Vogue, wheels and tires. Great look on these Fleetwoods. Up and down the passenger side. I haven't seen any major nicks or scratches. I'll show you one little spot I noticed on the rear quarter. Interior is kind of a deep maple, I guess, wine. Not sure what Cadillac's official name was for it back in '94. You Cadillac experts, if you know, go ahead and put it down in the comments. Vinyl roof. Also in very nice shape. You can see the chrome rockers in the still pictures. Those are also in nice shape. There's one spot, and it's tough to see it back here, but there's, I don't know, a little bit of a finger, and again, it's tough to see it, but it's kind of, this area right here, it's, like I said, it's tough to find, it's tough to get it to show up. I noticed it walking by it, but you got to be just right on it. I don't know if you can kind of see it there. It's being pretty fussy. This is an extremely clean car. Nice finish to it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see that filler panel. That's not even chalky. Lots of times they'll start to get a little chalky on the finish if it's sat outside much, and they start to age and wear. Now, as this one, you can see that paint matches nicely from that filler panel to the rear quarters, to the trunk deck lids. Not much for surprises on this one, folks. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one. AC compressor was replaced. And remember, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Complete dual exhaust, front to rear with catalytic converters. Again, check out the still pictures of the underside. I mentioned those Vogue wheels and tires. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. And the owner's literature will come along with this also. You'll be able to see the manuals and what have you in the still pictures. As we look up and down this driver's side, sorry about the noise in the background. They're raising a lift next door, getting some underside pics. Driver's side, again, nice finish. Really free of any major, again, nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a peek at this rear seating area. I want to show you, it's probably about like new. So door panels, great shape. Great color combination too, very rich looking. Yeah, look at these seats. They're like new, supple leather. Hear how that door sounded when it closed. They don't sound like that much anymore. Power seats both sides, power windows, power locks, memory seating. As you can see, also heated seats, lumbar, upper, lower, and middle. Should have a power recliner too, I believe. Yes, look at this. And think of this, 1994, very luxurious car. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 5.7 liter. There it is, actual miles, 15,407. So we just have a fastened seatbelt over here, and this is telling me to push the brake into shift. No service engine soon lights, anything like that. And I noticed we got a little bit of an upgrade over here. Kenwood stereo system installed, professionally done, absolutely beautiful. Electronic climate control. Fleetwood Chrome. It is a beauty, folks. Here's we have XM Sirius radio capabilities with that newer audio system. And sounds as you'd expect. You want a cruiser? Here it is. There's not many cars made that go down the road nicer than this one. Power antenna working, as you can also see. Sounds as it should. Let me pause this video just a second. I want to get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay. I definitely want you to see that. And then stick around to the very end of this video. We'll get done with a walk around here. Jason will take for a drive. Lucky, he's going for a cruise in this one. All right, underside of the hood, that hood liner, extremely clean also. Does not appear it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at this. They woke up this 5.7 just a little bit with a cold air intake K&N. Also professionally done. Nice setup underneath here. There's LP1 power. Sounds as it should. Plenty of power for this car. It's a beauty, folks. 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Actual miles on the odometer right now, 15,407. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Look at the undersides. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. Beautiful, big, comfortable Cadillac. There's an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Digital dash. If you see any flickering from that digital dash area, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car. The car's dash looks great. Fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. This car is showing less than 20,000 miles, and it definitely feels like a new Cadillac. From 1994, we have a Kenwood stereo in the dash. Very good sound. That is a touchscreen. The temperature controls, throwing a little bit of heat today on this cool Minnesota day. Very comfortable leather split bench seat with fold down armrest and storage. The ride is as you would expect for a Cadillac. Very luxurious, very smooth and quiet. Brakes working very well, also very smooth. That prominent Cadillac hood ornament out on the front. Cadillac, are they the last ones to carry the hood ornaments? Because in 1994, I don't think there were that many left. What? Was there anybody that ran them longer than Cadillac? Corners nicely. Corners the way a larger car should, but in 1994 they were refining that a little bit. So it's not bad. It's a tight, easy to turn machine. Beautiful interior. Take a look at all the pictures and see if you see any wear. This looks like a very well maintained low mile car. Take a look at all the pictures over at uniqueclassiccars.com.